Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to remove apps from hidden apps folder on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is iOS 18.3.1. Now let's see how to remove apps from hidden apps folder. Now from here, let's open the hidden apps folder. As you can see, this is the hidden apps folder. Now from here, just tap on it and it will scan your face by using Face ID. Just like that. Now from here, to remove apps from the hidden apps folder, just tap and hold on the app icon which you want to remove from the hidden apps folder. Now from here, just tap on Add to Home Screen. Now from here, tap on Unhide. Now as you can see, this is how you can remove apps from hidden apps folder on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.